gonna go ahead and start it. My video cut it out, so I have to do a second video. Let's start it. As you look at the dashboard, you can see there is no check engine lights, any other lights rather than the seat belt and my pop-up the doors are open light. But other than that, this vehicle doesn't have any issues, and it's a great investment would be. See, the steering wheel is in a pretty good shape. Interior, that's good. Gorgeous looking truck. Third row seating. The bench in the middle. Fold this down. You have extra storage room in here for your work. 3 different compartments. You even have a coin holders in here if you like to have some coins down there. I'm gonna put this back. And as I promised in the video, it's gonna be we're gonna pop up the hood. And I'll see what's under this beauty. It's gonna be all the way down there. We're gonna pop it open so you can see the engine bay area. We're gonna go ahead. See, the engine area is super clean. That old-fashioned 6.7 liter turbo diesel Cummins engine of Dodge of this year, a legend engine. Say 2008 Dodge Ram 3500 Cummins turbo diesel, heavy duty, big horn. This is what it looked like. Gorgeous, beautiful truck. Beautiful truck. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Jay from Castle Auto Sales. We are located in Linwood, Washington. We do ship nationwide, including Hawaii and Alaska. We do have a dedicated flatbed tow drivers. Will ensure safe and secure delivery to your doorsteps. And certain areas in Washington States and Portland metropolitan area, we do deliver free. Please reach out to us. Let us know how you would like to proceed further on this particular truck or any other truck. We do specialize diesel trucks. Let us know how we can help you. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.